In this video, I will show you how to find the WP options table in the WordPress database. This table usually contains key site settings related to your website configuration. So if you're looking to make advanced customizations, having access to this table is quite essential. So let's get started. At first, log into your hosting account, then go to control panel areas such as cPanel, and then look for the databases section right here. And then look for the phpMyAdmin. Go ahead and open it. Within the phpMyAdmin, on the left, look for the database which is associated with the WordPress installation. If you have multiple databases and you're not sure which one it is, go back to your WordPress admin and then hover on Tools, then click on Site Health, and then click on the Info tab, and then scroll a bit down till you find the database section. Go ahead and expand it, and then look for the database name. It should be right here. Here's my database, which is associated with my WordPress site. Let's go back to phpMyAdmin, and there it is. It's this one. Let's open it. And here's a list of tables in this database. The table of interest is WP_options. It should be right here. Just keep in mind that the prefix WP may be different. It really depends on your WordPress installation. So another way you can find the table is just simply at the very top, look for the filter, and just type options, and it should populate right here at the top, WP_options. Let's click on it, and here's the table contents. You can see there are many rows. So if you're looking for a specific option name, you can actually just set the number of rows to 500 and type the option name in the search. So as an example, let's search for the active plugins option name, and there it is. It has an option ID of 33. And just a reminder, be very careful making modifications in this table, as incorrect changes can break your website. And always make sure to have a full backup copy of your WordPress site, including the database, before making any changes. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.